Once you've created an account and signed in, click the Create Collection button. It will take you to this page. If you hover over the question marks on each box of the form, it will explain what each box means. The first is a blockchain you want to launch on. Mintpad currently has support for Ethereum, Matic, Fantom, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Binance Smart Chain with Solana support coming soon. Today, we're going to use Matic. The next box is the symbol or ticker box. The symbol will show up in the hash of the smart contract, so consider it like a stock ticker. If you're familiar with NFTs, you're probably familiar with royalties. But just in case you're not, royalties are a set percentage creators receive from secondary NFT sales on marketplaces. Royalties are important because they support artists and builders within the ecosystem. Most collections will set royalties anywhere from 2 to 5%. The next two boxes are equally as important as the top row. These are the collection name and the collection description. If you've been thinking of launching a collection for some time, you probably have an idea for a name and a description for it. For us, we're going to call it Mintpad Demo. Once you've filled everything out, you'll click Deploy Smart Contract. A wallet transaction should pop up. Approve the transaction to create the smart contract. From there, it will take you to the management page.